Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go through how to refill the coolant in your reserve tank on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Trail. Right here. The coolant that we're going to use is the actual Toyota OEM coolant. So it's this one right here. It's the Super Long Life Coolant from Toyota, which if you read your manual, that's the one it tells you to put in. And it's actually not that expensive. I think I got this for like 16, 17 bucks at the dealer. If you try to buy it on Amazon, it's actually a bit more expensive. Here's the full line. There's the bottom line there. So minimum it should be here. Mine's actually down here. But anyway, minimum it should be is here. Maximum it should be is here. So I'm gonna actually fill it to the max line. I'll probably just line up with paper towels a bit. Just gonna wipe down the excess there. Make sure there's nothing on there. That's really it. So you'll see now that I'm up to the F line, so it's full, right? This is the minimum down here again. This is the maximum. So the coolant that I use, like I said earlier, it's pre-diluted. It's a Super Long Life antifreeze coolant. You can see the part number right there. Okay, so 00272-SLLC2.